To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. First, make sure the required setting is enabled. To do this, go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Swipe up to scroll down. Under Content and Display, tap Playback. Here, you will see an option called Display Object Tags. Make sure the toggle is turned on if it isn't already enabled. Now, go back to your feed. Scroll through your For You feed and find a video featuring content that interests you, such as clothing, gadgets, or accessories. Then, tap the video to pause it. You'll then see a Find Similar option appear on the screen. Tap on that option, and TikTok will instantly display a list of similar videos. You can watch any of these videos by simply tapping on them. You can circle any object in the video to find similar content. This feature saves time by allowing you to quickly discover similar content or products without having to search manually. You can also tap on any object in the video to instantly find similar content. So that's how you can use the Find Similar feature on TikTok.